Baby quilts are a wonderful way to welcome a new little one into the world. If you're new to quilting or looking for a quick project, easy baby quilt patterns for beginners are the perfect place to start. These patterns use simple techniques and straightforward instructions, making them ideal for those just learning the art of quilting. Let's explore free, easy baby quilt patterns that are perfect for beginners. First up is the Easy 4-Patch Baby Quilt by Julie Taylor. This charming design features a classic 4-patch layout that's a breeze to piece together. The finished size of 36 by 44 inches is perfect for snuggling, and you can customize the color scheme using your favorite jelly roll strips. Next, we have the Modern Baby Lattice Quilt. This eye-catching design mixes squares and rectangles in shades of blue, with a polka dot border for added charm. At 39 by 46 inches, it's an ideal size for a baby's room. The Triangle Baby Quilt offers a colorful and cheerful option. This free tutorial by TaylorMade features simple triangle blocks and fluffy batting, creating a cozy quilt that's perfect for tummy time or snuggles. For those with a stash of fat quarters, the Wildwood Crib Quilt by Kirsty of Bonjour Quilts is an excellent choice. This 50 by 60 inch quilt has a simple yet striking layout that's great for showcasing your favorite fabrics. If you're looking for something a bit more playful, try the Wonky Stripes Baby Quilt. This pattern by Emily of Memlek Knits uses uneven stripes and a fun mix of colors to create a modern, eye-catching design. For a classic look, the Pink Classic Quilt pattern features delightful pink and white fabrics arranged in hourglass blocks. At 32 by 41 inches, it's perfect for cuddling a little one. Add a splash of color with the Easy Rainbow Baby Bargello Quilt. This vibrant pattern uses a mesmerizing gradient of rainbow hues to create a stunning visual effect. The Bloom and Bliss Receiving Blanket offers a sweet and cheerful option. This 37-inch square quilt features a delightful mix of floral prints and pastel colors. For a modern touch, try the Go Tumbler Bright Baby Quilt. This pattern uses colorful elongated hexagons to create a visually stimulating design that's surprisingly easy to piece together. Lastly, the Go X Marks the Spot Baby Quilt is a beginner-friendly project resulting in a charming 40.5-inch square quilt. Remember, the most important thing is to have fun and enjoy the process of creating something special with your own hands. Don't be afraid to experiment with colors, fabrics, and quilting techniques. With a little patience and practice, you'll be stitching up beautiful baby quilts in no time. Do you want more easy baby quilt patterns for beginners? Visit ilovequiltingforever.com for a cuddly collection of ideas. Happy quilting!